Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Kevin. I'm with All Star Medical, and we're going to show you how to change out a remote, or hand pendant as people call it, on a Viva series by Pride Mobility. They make a line of lift chairs called Vivalift, and all of their remotes are through the inside of the seat. And it has a connection that goes right through here, and we've got it raised up to show you real quick. Everything is color coordinated when it comes to connecting it, but this one right here is a black connection, and all you have to do is take this and disconnect just like that, plug it right back in. If you have any questions or concerns about it, it's really easy to put it back in because you can only put it in one way, and then you can close it right back up. So if you're ever swapping one out, all you have to do is run the wire from here under the seat down under it. It just slides right under. It's real easy to do, but if you're ever having to change out a hand pendant or remote, that's how you do it. So hopefully that helps you in the future. If you ever have questions, give us a call at 615-730-9438. Thanks, and have a great day.